Good evening all. Today I come with a problem of Sony LED TV that light is glowing but there is no display and no light is also there, and its model is we see that 22B X350. Okay, so what we do, we are going to repair it first and detect the problem from where the problem is coming. So I just switch off the set first, and I already opened the cover, backside cover, and we see the SMPS first. Okay, and just we go through the SMPS and we see there is some coil has some problem. We see that this coil is very much clear, but this coil has some problem, maybe some burning. Okay, so we have a similar board like this one is a similar board, and we see that the coil is very much clear, both coil is very much clear. You see this one and this one, upper one, which is giving light or giving voltage to light on the LED panel. So we remove the old one first. We are going to remove and attach this one. Let's see. I unscrew. And open this jack, which is giving supply to the LED panel, and this one which is giving supply to the motherboard. Be careful, and I carefully open all the jacks and screw. Now I going to use this SMPS. I attach all the jacks and screw also. Be careful. This is the AC jack. I attach it. I am sure everything is perfect. Now I switch on the set and let's see. And light is glowing. Yes, and the display is coming. So in that way I solve this problem, and please subscribe my channel and share to everyone. Thank you.